Welcome everyone to the March 2024 edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and I'm sure a lot of you are getting ready to do your taxes. March, getting those 1099s coming in from the brokerage houses, mortgage statements, interest statements from banks, all those type of things. Just a word of caution out to those railroad retirees. Remember, railroad retirement isn't taxable by the state, so make sure you don't carry down that taxable portion from your federal return down into your state returns, okay, on that pensions and annuities section. A lot of great stuff this month. The Whiteboard, how will the special one-year rule affect your railroad retirement, right? So that's for those people who retire mid-year, right? They have this income, okay, maybe they want to work after they start their railroad retirement. How much can they earn? Check out that one-year rule video, very, very helpful. Mailbag, I have, if I leave the railroad, will I lose my Tier 2? I get this question a lot, surprisingly, right? So, basically you're not going to lose your Tier 2 if you have 5 years vested after 1995. But watch that video anyway. Share it with people where you hear that kind of water cooler talk. Have a very good checklist on important numbers for 2024, right? How much can I deduct, limits, IRMA, Medicare, all those type of things. Print that out, laminate it if you want, save it for this upcoming year. Really good stuff. Economic chart I have is on stock volatility in a presidential year. That's going to be a lot of the talk coming up is presidential elections, but how does that really affect the markets over time? So take a look at that. There will be a lot of hyperbole going around about the election. So just, watch that stuff. So until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.